Hi first graders, welcome to our phonics video today. You are going to need your vowel teams chart, something to write with, and maybe even something to color with if you'd like. So we're going to get out our vowel teams chart, and today we're going to be adding a few of the vowel teams that we've already learned so that you have a handy vowel teams chart to use when you're writing, when you're reading, or really just, to hang up on your wall because it's beautiful. And I want to tell you that we are going to be adding to this as we keep working on phonics. And so I want you to put this somewhere special that you can find when we're done with our lesson today, so that it doesn't get lost. Okay? I will send you extras in our packets in the weeks when we add things to this, but it would be great if you could hang on to this one and just keep adding to it instead of having to do all of that work over again and adding more. We want all of your vowel teams together so that you can use it in all of those ways that we talked about. Okay? So your vowel team chart looks empty right now, and so we are going to add in those vowel teams that we've been working on together. So on your vowel teams chart, I want you to choose some squares at the top and write in the vowel teams that we have learned so far. So we have learned EE, we've learned EA, we've learned OA, we've learned AI, and we've learned AY. Okay? So we are writing those in so that we can add more information below them. So you want them to be kind of small at the top of your square so there's plenty of room. Okay? And to make this a handy dandy chart that works really well for us, that we are going to remember really quickly what sounds those vowel teams say, we're going to put an example word below. So I am going to show you an example word that I'm going to use. You can use the same word that I do, or you can think of a word that you know that is going to be easy for you to remember and will remind you what sound this vowel team makes, and illustrate it below here. So I will show you my examples, and you can use them, or you can use a different word that you know that is spelled in this way. All right, so our first vowel team is EE, and that says E. And I chose the word tree to remind me about that word. So I drew a little picture of a tree. You can add color if you'd like. And then I wrote that word tree underneath so that I would remember. Okay, our next vowel team is EA. It also says E, like in eat. So I drew a picture of a little guy eating a hamburger. Eat. So this one says O. OA says O, like boat. So I drew a picture of a boat and the word boat, B-O-A-T. Our next vowel team is AI. AI says A, often in the middle of a word, like train. Train. So I drew a picture of a train and I wrote the word train. Our last vowel team for today is AY. AY also says A, but often this A is at the end of a word. So like our snap word play. I drew a picture of someone playing jump rope and I wrote that word play. So I want you to finish off your vowel teams chart with an example word for each of our vowel teams, and you can color them if you would like. And then I really want you to find a safe spot to put this so that you can refer to it if you are writing or reading and you need some reminders about what sounds these vowel teams make, and so that we can add to it as we go. So find a really great safe spot, and I'll see you next time.